This is Earth, our small blue planet. It looks peaceful, but actually it is not. Many natural disasters and hazards occur everywhere, especially in the area of East and South Asia.
Every year, typhoons, earthquakes, tsunamis strike countries with no mercy, causing problems, damages, even human losses.
Taiwan is an island located in the heart of disasters. Morakot typhoon and the Gigi earthquake are just two examples of disasters which brought catastrophes beyond imagination.
We cannot stop natural phenomena from happening, but we can make them less damaging if we prepare ourselves. That is why we must all work together.
SWAN is the research center for soil, water resources, and natural disaster prevention of the National Yunlin University of Science and Technology in Taiwan.
SWAN focuses on matters of natural resources and disasters. SWAN helps local communities living in the counties of Yunlin, Zhanghua, Jiayi, and Nantou to prevent and protect themselves from natural disasters.
SWAN is proud to have joined the Road to Sendai campaign.
Road to Sendai is a campaign which bridges the gap between civil societies and world leaders, giving power to the local community's voice.
Get active, join SWAN, support the Road to Sendai campaign.
Only if we work together, we can achieve amazing things. Only if we learn from the mistakes of the past, we can create a better future.